Hey guys, I'm doing a 5K today.
Now you wanna say what's up to me? Okay, so now you wanna make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we...
Basically, I'm not a runner. My stamina is so bad. Like, it's like actually an issue. Running is not my thing, guys, okay? But basically, the reason why we're doing this, so my friend Skylar, I invited her today to my boat, and then her mom called us yesterday. We were in the car, and she was like, well, Skylar told me, she was like, I have to ask my mom, but I'm doing like a 5K in the morning, whatever. So I was like, okay, that's fine. And so then her mom called us yesterday, and she was like, do you guys want to like do this 5K? It's like their friend is organizing it, and like it's for charity. So my mom was like, okay, yeah, that's fine, like we'll do that. So we're doing this, and I will be walking personally. No one will ever catch me running 3 miles straight. It's like 7:30 in the morning, so I guess I'm gonna be vlogging my day. I'll be back.
Don't rip it down, just rip your hair sideways. Like, just apart.
Cooper, say hi. Cooper was being bad and he was digging in dirt.
Where was he digging?
This is
I have no idea.
this is the freshest hose I accidentally sprayed Cooper with because I didn't know how to work it, but we figured it out.
Say hi. We're going to the boat.
My hair's messed up from our 5K.
Oh,
we
did
won. We beat the.
Oh, yeah.
Like we were
like first place,
Yeah.
you know, we won. We
yeah,
just like
first, second, and then my other friend was third. Like we just like sprinted that thing.
yeah, like
And then
we're just really
and then
good
we got
at
to
running.
ride in the
Convertible.
Hey.
Skylar drove us to the car. Say hi.
Hey.
This is my hair.
I did. I sat there and I was like,
Navy gymnastics for the win.
I get to sit
Cooper's
with
Cooper's coming too. No, he has to go in the back. Cooper, come on.
Oh,
Hop up. Good boy.
days.
Okay, stay there. Rookie driver. Cooper's here. Say hi, Cooper.
Doing good. She worked on.
We just got here. Cooper, come on. We're going.
I spied
Oh my
your
God,
father.
bro.
And
Say hi.
Hi.
okay. I can't move. Otherwise
Oh.
I'm gonna fall.
I don't know how to get it closer. Just like, okay. Here, wait. Oh my God. Here, wait. Now come. Come here. Oh my God. Yeah. We're trying to find a place to take pictures. Cooper. Do you guys see him? He's like,
Wanted to come be a part
oh yeah, he wants to come out here. Oh, I closed the thing so he can't get out. We went back to the boat to take some pictures. And we're gonna like eat. We got sandwiches, like Italian sandwiches. I'll show you guys what we got to eat when it comes, but we're gonna go back in like a couple minutes to like, oh my God, my phone almost just like turned off. My phone's also overheating, which is like,
Ooh.
here's the view from here. Cooper's like dying. He was just waiting up here like the whole time. Oh no, he's crying. Cooper, ready? Sit. 1, 2, ready. Oh, be for real. Cooper. I promise he can catch it sometimes. This is what we got for lunch. Hey guys, so we're like tanning. Well, technically, I obviously like don't tan, but Skylar's like sleeping. I feel my face getting burnt and like my arms, but like I need to get burnt on the rest of my body because I'm like neon white. Skylar is sleeping. Yeah, she's sleeping so good right now. This vlog's gonna be so bad. I'm sorry, guys.
Oriana, I have to take you a nap now. Good night.
Okay, bye. Good night. This is a really nice angle. My phone's overheating and it's like not good. You Here's our view.
Did you hear that kid?
I did. Hello, I just realized I have sunglasses, which is
Guys, tell us whose is cooler, my sunglasses
or mine.
I think mine are.
Where did you get yours?
CVS.
I got mine in Block Island, Rhode Island, so.
Oh, well, there's a story behind these. But
Oh,
yeah,
is there?
there is.
This is actually like really helpful because now I don't have to like squint my whole face. Cooper. Hi, Cooper. Thank you. Bye. Having a little bit of struggles here.
And that's what not to do when you have a boat.
Ooh, here comes the water taxi.
Move it over to the side.
Oh God,
Run.
it's so zoomed in.
Run.
Skylar's turn. Oh, that was good. There goes the water taxi with the dogs on it. Say hello.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
I don't remember Spanish. Say hello.
Hola.
Hola.
Vlog.
A little bit. It's all good though.
With Regan trying to get out of the boat.
Are you ready, Pete?
Yep. No, yeah, I got it. All right, just throw the rope. And off I go.
You good? You don't need any help?
She did it.
Stop it. What, were you waiting for me to fall?
No! No! Now we're gonna go see Cooper. Ready?
Now wait a minute.
Oh God. Part 2?
You guys.
My legs are short.
Come on. Yay!
Come on, get your pig. Where's your pig? Oh, I hid your pig because you were annoying me with it.
The pig.
Paw. Oh, oh.
Oh!
Sit, paw. No, sit. Dance. Good girl. Sit.
Oh!
Okay, ready? Sit. Sit. Catch.
Oh! Okay. Say hi. Oh no, I'm gonna get her worked up. Okay, no, maybe don't. Ooh.
Oh, wait, okay, bye.
Oh! Help.
Wait. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Come at me.
Oh yeah, I gotta bring in my mat. Sorry, I put it out there to dry out. I went